Kenyo vengo, auntie, auntie.
Been another good day that the Lord has given us, kabisa. Yeah, we are notified that in our entertainment joint corridor, yes, we have one of the artists anaitwa Pesi Lema. Pesi Lema has been sponsored by DJ Queen Foundation under the Inua Jamii or Inua Msanii Initiative. Yeah, 4 days ago amerelease ngoma ambayo inaitwa Maseno. It is into brackets called Auntie. This song has been written and performed by Pesi Lema, and it is actually speaking about divorce and how love has been perceived as a scam. Audio has been done by one and only Shama Records. Video has been done by the one and only Lerinto Films. Yes, let us go there and support Pesi Lema. He's one of the guys nimeona ameandika mziki mzuri sana, and despite that support from DJ Queen Foundation, which is a big up sana to DJ Queen for supporting talents, na tungependa twende pale kwenye mtandao wa YouTube tukasupport these amazing talent. Pesi Lema, mziki unaitwa Maseno Auntie.